First fight. Best point versus Direct Urban. 16 under. Start na po tayo.
Trip.com is my policy. Free first change. Priority protection. Download the Trip.com app now for words your life here.
Number 17 or number 17. Best man. Number 20. 70 Corval. Ayun Mendoza. Pasal number 4. Number 4 na sama dengan coach to coach Bapak Steven Fernandez. Pasal Corval. Pasal jalan by Corval. Tura. Pasal number 2. Number 2 Papa Mendoza. Number 2 by Fernandez. Number 17. Number 17. Number 18, very good. Rebound, same ball. Oras natin, 9 minutes exactly. Number 18, Mendea, Tapas to Fernandez. Number 20, Pasay number 17, pull up jumper. Very good. Number 4. Number 1. Foul. Foul to number 18. Mendea. Number 4. Starting to play. Number 4. Pasal number 12. Number 17. Pass break for number 20. Number 20. Nawala sana bola. Tura. Pasal number 32. Pasal 12. Number 12. Number 74. Pasal number 2. Bay. Baseball ball. Number 30. Gideon LeBron. Number 20. Pasal number 17. Number 17. Hey. Stepping on the line. That's my ball. Number 20. Number 20, Bergman. Number 12, Tura. Jubrin Jubrin. Bergman. Vivaga Fernandez. Corgal. Segal. Shutdown natin. 17 to shoot. 70 shoot. Mendea, number 20, traveling violation. Number 4, Tura, balikan number 4. Number 4, Japas dari number 74, passing down by number 74. Number 20, Corval. Jumper. Direct Urban ball. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 4. Pass by number 74. Following by number 4. Number 4 goes to goal. Still good. Fernandez. Fernandez. That pass will go down. Very good. Silver. Oras natin 6 minutes and 15 seconds. 17 to shoot. Mentea. Mentea with 12. Never. Rebound by number 74. Number 74. Rebound by Ventura. Pass by number 74. Never. Counter drive by number 74. Mentea. Running violation. Number Lamang on this one. Number 22. We got the number 2. Customers by Fernandez. Transfer drive by number 2. Mentea. That's our third down. Third down. Here. Silver number 2. Number 2. Drop pass to number 4. Pass it down by number 4. Number 20, number 11. Number 20. Well up on him. Number 2. Big guy down. Easy Fernandez. Big guy. Kay Fernandez. Basket down by Fernandez. Change back to Naya. Change back to Naya. Number 7. Pass by number 2. Running to number 7. Number 27. Number 11. Be there. Over. Number 0. Number 0. Pass it down to number 0. Number 7. Number 7. Aguirre, 15 to shoot. Number 7, pass on number 8. Bahi, 10 to shoot. Aguirre. Rebound by number 74. Number 0, big again number 2. Foul. Who's foul, right? Foul by number 7. First try. Basket down by number 2. Last try. Two out to 2 by number 2. Number 7. Aguirre. Bigay ka number 8. Libre. Basket down by number 8. Number 0. Number 0. Suluba. Tebe bigay by Aguirre. Bigay ka Marquez. Marquez. Naurahan bola. Number 0. Christopher's drop pass. Binigay sa halaman. Number 2. Rebound. Basket down by number 74. That's right. Score number 39 in favor of Barrett Urban. na. First throw by Bucky. Basket down by Bucky. Last throw. Wala.
Get 50% off.
Number 0. Behind the back. 5. Who's for it? Five by number 16. Aguirre. First throw by number 0. Number 3. Last throw. Oras natin, 1 minute and 57 seconds. Passes one. Number 7. Direct rebound ball. Oras natin, 1 minute and 43 seconds. Number 0. Still, Boa Aguirre. Bigger than number 7. May nakapagin! Parang nakasarala na lang ang kalaban. Number 0. Number 0. Bigger than number. Wala. Number 0. Number 1 by number 0. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Still by number 74. Kaso nga lang, hindi nakuha ni number 2. Number 7. Hindi pressure. Aguirre. Bigay kay Lumbre. Number 88. Number 88. Foul by number 30. Bibinan. Marquez. Pass it down by Marquez. Last 38 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Number 2. Back pass by number 74 to Mount. Number 10 number 8. Pass it down by number 74. Last 13 seconds. Aguirre. Last 29 seconds. 5. Back by number 27. Last 22 seconds. Number 7 is in. Wala. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds.
Save on your first booking. Play now.
Start number and second by number. Gordon, second to play. Hindi na sa gitna. Foul. Basket down by Gordon. Foul by number 22. Black and foul. Nice shot by Gordon. Nicely done by Gordon. Number 4. Straight back to Tyler. Tyler go by goal. Number 4 again. Big guy number 0. Number 0. The goal. Number 70. Big guy Gordon. First to rush by Gordon. Foul. Out by number 22. Rocking by again. Number 22. Second personal foul. Second, same foul. Number 70. Gordon. Bigay Lacaba. Lacaba. Tabasco Fernandez. Pull back by number 70. Number 4. Bigay number 0. Number 0. Kasih gagal Bigina. Gordon. 15 to shoot. Gordon. 10 to shoot. Kevin. Kevin. Bigay Fernandez. Masih gagal Fernandez. Number 0. Foul. Foul by number 72. 19 to shoot. Number 4. Italan, Sukubo. Italan. Gordon. Number 10 sa ang kalamangan. Magkala Gordon. Gordon. 15 to shoot. Kasih gagal Gordon. Number 4. Number 4. 15 to shoot. Bigay Bigina. David. Number 17. Pass out the ball. Giving pass. David. Bigina. Bigay number 4. David. Number 4. USA. Passing down by number 4. Balik sa buang kalamangan ng Direct Uban. Gordon. Bigay kay number 17. Fernandez. Batas kay number 17. Passing down by number 17. Number 4. Set the play. 15 to shoot. Number 4. 10 to shoot. Libre sila dito wala. Single po tayo. 10 to shoot. 12 to shoot. That's one ball. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Gordon. Gordon. Gusto kay Tura. Tura. Pasok kay Tura. Gordon. Napagdali. Foul basket yan by Gordon. Foul number 30. Number 30. 10 personal foul na. One shot. Basket yan by Gordon. Number 4. Setting that play. Number 4. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Ulva. Back to the Verde.
Amanda Magic, Carl Ralph.
I'm trying my best. This is my husband,
Very good.
but our marriage is just
Last round. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 43 seconds.
You must be proud. I'm your brother. That's the line.
Wala pa din. Number 1. Bigay kay number 0. Pass your ground by number 0. Yakaba. Bigay kay Corridor. Corridor. Yakaba, pull up jumper. No good. Bigay kay number 72. Wala ka rin bigay kay number 0. Number 4. Number 4. Gets you by number 4.
what's the rush? Do you know how high my interest rates are? I am struggling to take care of you.
Kill the guy.
Just give me my money.
Technical brutal. Change five level brutal.
No, I thought we should trade it.
Pass it down with number 6. Change five brutal. Change five.
Kuya, sige, sige. Ano ba? Saan ka ba maniligo? Yung binigay mo ng ano?
Swati.
No, I wasn't paying attention to my records.
Ikaw magano dito?
Change five no.
Ano po si Michelle?
Number 20. Bigay sa kita. Balik ka number 20. Bigay sa corner. Balik na. Number. Cover 3. Bakit down to number 29. Stand by to fire. Carry program joy. Number 2. Bigay ka number 6. Balik ka number 2. Number 2. Move. Foul. Foul by number 91. Javier. Forcing to shoot. Number 2. Turning to shoot. Number 2. Mendea. Set the play. Mendea. Bigay. Carry Govan ball. Number 6. Bigay. Silver Rocky. Number 6. Number 6. Rebound number 37. Second to shoot. Philip cover. Basket down by number 20. 15 to shoot. Bobby. Foul. Foul by number 0. First Very good. Last throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound niya pa naman sa likod. Number 2. Bigay ka number 6. Nagpapa na rin si number 3. Bigay ka number 0. Pull up cover. Cover. Number 2. Bigay ka number 74. Last one ball. Well, that's nothing. Last 3 minutes exactly. Number 20. Number 20. Number 6. Number 6. Nagpapadali. Kumang. Binagay. Javier. Binagay Mendea. Mendea. No good. Pero kanya pa rin. Wala na din. Rebound ka number 0. Fast break ka number 7. Bigay ka number 2. Fast break ka number 2. Time out. Yes, ball. In favor of Tyler Kurban. Number 20, 7 to play. 15 to shoot. William. Number 6. Number 6. Under the 15 to shoot. 5. Who's Tyler? Five and number 18, Mendea. Number 6, Bigay and number 2. 10 to shoot. Number 2, Tabas and number 7 to ball. Passer down by number 7 to ball. Number 2, Reggie. Number 20. Steal! Number 74! Bigay ka number 2! Pull up cover! Pass it down to number 2! 5 minutes and 20 seconds! Number 18! Nawala na naman ang bola! Bigay na naman ang number 2! Bigay ka number 6! 5! 5 and number 18! Mendea. Third personal foul. Mendea. Third personal foul na. Warning for penalty. Last ball. Ay. Shoot. Sa tres pa lang. Last throw by number 6. Wala. Number 20. Number 20. 13 to shoot. Foul. Foul by number 6. Last 55 seconds. Sorry. Basket yan by number 20. Gastrian by number 20. Kanya pa rin. Taas na dinas. Number 74. Last 35 seconds. bring you position number 0. Last 32 seconds. Last 35 seconds. Foul. Foul by number 27. Penalty. First throw by number 29. Basket down by number 29. Last throw. Two out of 4 by number 29. Number 6. Last 2 seconds. There's my goal. Last 2 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Super foul by number 0 and number 79. Double time na tayo. Last 3 seconds. Last 3 seconds po tayo. Save one. Last 3 seconds. Wow. Pagkakulang sa ilan natin. Pagkakal na po tayo.
Ikaw una ba?
Dahil po tanggol. Kura. Bigay ka na po Gordon. Bigay kay Fernandez. Wala pa rin. Tuna. Bigay kay number 6. Bakir. Wala pa rin. And piece to shoot. Number 20. Number 20. 13. Number 4. Brigada Tura. 15 shoot. Steal. Brigada Gordon. Pasok sa Gordon. Score natin, 21-39 in favor of Derek Hoover. Number 4, setting the play. Number 21, bigger than number 6. Bigger than number 23. That's it now by number 23. Foul by number 21. Number 17. Edward, bigger than number 6. Baru lang po tayo, mga idol. Double po tayo din. Number 23 ng Baron Kurban. Number 79 ng Desmond. Tura. Bigay ka number 23. Bigay ka number 71. Bigay ka number 33. Nakakalina na. Foul ka number 70. Heavy foul. 18 to shoot po tayo. 18 to shoot. Tura. Number 4, David. 41. Foul. Foul by number 21. Lucky foul. Pasok down by Kurban. Last one. Substitution. Number 34 in. Number 21 out. Tura. Ready to play. Tura. Bigay sa laro number 23. Bigay sa corner. Number 4. Bigay kay number 6. Julia. Time to shoot. Time to shoot po tayo. Time to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Ventesa. Bigay kay number 70. Jump ball ball. Yes, good ball. Number 6. Number 4. 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Dahil naman tayo ng mga kaso. Record violation. Number 20.
Exclusive deals to Japan.
Bigay kay Gordon. Balik na ito binigay kita Fernandez.
Traveling experience.
Isiba sila kay Fernandez. 4. Number 4. Second play. 15 to shoot. Tura, Bobo. Bobo, Trinidad Fernandez. Bigay kay Jackie. Balik kay Gordon. Second play. Substitution. Number 0. Number 25. To shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 2, bigay ka number 23. Bobo, bigay ka number 17. Bigay kay Paco. Paco down by Paco. Number 4. Setting the play. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rocket. Bigay number 20. Number 4. Bigay ka number 2. Bigay number 0. Yung 25 by number 0. Third person na po, gala po. Number 0. Wait lang po. Tampo na po yung number 0 ng Tarico Ball. Cordial. Bigay namin sa shoot. 15 to shoot. Bigay ka namin sa shoot. Foul. Foul na number 2 rating. Number 5. Number 2, 10 to shoot. Bigay Silver. 11 to shoot na tayo. Bigay sa corner. Wala rin na number 10. Nasa number 20. Basket na number 20. Baba sa anim ang kalamangan ng Taruban. Gusti na number 20. Nasa madali. Basket na number 20. There is not a 25 seconds. Number 4, bigay ka number 2. Number 2, Fernandez, 15 to shoot. He's still number 4. He's still Fernandez. Now number 2. Substitution rep. Paso. Flashback. 74, bigay kay number 2. Kaso na lakas. Number 20. Setting the play, bigay kay number 17. Shoot to shoot. Bigay kay Corbin. 10 to shoot. Number 74. Bigay kay number 4. Number 4. 15 to shoot. Number 2 sumubok ulit. Wala. Bigay kay Ventosa. 10 to shoot. Nakalino. Substitution. Number 26. Number 79. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Berubah. Pinili sa gitna. Grabe yung violation po tayo. Number 4. Number 2. Thank you. Cornelius. 15 to shoot po tayo. 15 to shoot. May plastic to, walang daw. Baka may mga tulas to. To shoot. Corner. And to shoot. Same guy. Last 5 to shoot. 5 to shoot na lang po tayo. Fernandez. Over 3 by Guy Marquez. Bumat. Pake Guy Marquez. Number 4. Number 4. Over 3 by Guy Marquez. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Go goal. Big number 20. Over 3 by Guy. Power by Guy. Last 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Ventosa. Serve po tayo. Test one goal para. Last 30 seconds. Last 35 seconds. 5. Number 0. Number 0. Warning. Graduate ka na ba ulan? Penalty goal, penalty. Wala ang unang tira. Jasper by Corbin. Substitution. Number 22 in. Number 0 out. Number 4. Last 13 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Tatapasan ang pista sa wala. Fast break kay number 20. Libre. Fast sa wala. Ryan Pundang ball. Last 9 Starter na po tayo. Starter po ang first quarter. Labasan na tayo ko ng galing.
Sabihin mo kayo.
Last quarter na. Tura. Ready to play. Tura. Bigay sa gilid. Seven on the line. Flash control. Mentea. Bigay na ball. Ready. Mentea. Pass to the tie. Still. Pass break tie. Still by number 88. Number 18. Bigay number 78. Super five. Ever. Number 0. Bigay by Mendoza. Tura. Super pressure na number 88. Best to shoot. Number 23. Verdad. Fifteen to shoot. Verdad. Passes down by Verdad. Tura. Number 23. 15 to shoot. Rebound number 78. Number 78. Steal. Mendoza. 41 situation. Rashford ball. Verdad. Fifteen to shoot. Byron Umang ball. Tura. Fifteen to shoot. Masih diangkat Mendoza. Libre. Number 18. Steal. Mendoza 15 to shoot. Tina Mendoza number 2. Foul counted. Foul by Verdad number 14. Foul. Yes, man. Score nothing. 66-54 in favor of Garrett Verdad. Bonus shot by number 2. Passage down by number 2. Verdad. Verdad. Bigay number 88. Bigay kay Rafael. Juan. Bigay kay Fernandez. Passage down by Fernandez. Number 23. Tura. 15 to shoot. Steal. Number 88 ang pagkakali. Nice He's coming on the line. Special ball. Three guy game of case. Foul. Foul by Tuna. Number 70, 15 to shoot. Corner. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation to the island. Number 23, over by Mendoza. Still going on loop. By Puro again. Turn to shoot. Number 2, over by Marquez. Pasa kay Fernandez. Still kaya number 30. Please correction. Number 20. Number 20. 15 to shoot. He's good. Pinay Pura. That's one more. Number 20. Pinay Pura. Karena 15 to shoot. Wala pa din. Foul by Cortez. Number 30. 7% Ferdinand Cortez. Pura. Number 23. Cortez. Gumulira ang kalamangan ng Daluruban. Number 20. Esteban Mendoza. Bigay kay number 0. Bigay kay number 2. Number 2 pull-up chopper now. Ibaba Corton. Pass play kay Fernandez. Libre. Sakit na by Fernandez. Pura. Illegal screen play. By number 74. Illegal screen. Cortez. Bigay kay Fernandez. Fernandez. Traveling violation. Single denial, violation Sandoy. Pura. Balik number 22. Number 22. Bigay kay Tura. Running guy, number 23. And to shoot. Foul by Bakio. Tura. Bigay sa corner. Favorite. Foul by number 79, Bakio. Bakio, running for the ladder. Passed by number 20. Passed down by number 20. Steal by Bakio. Passed down by Bakio. Timeout. Running Punta. Number 79, running for Grado Calabo. Score 73-62. Several started over. Mendoza, bigay ka number 23. Bigay sa corner, play. Balik sa ilalim, Mendoza, Renostora. Pasigaw sa Mendoza. Corner. Begin to shoot. Good. Tura. Number 4. Then to shoot. Wow. Kailan yung pala? Paso down by number 20. Two. Last 2 minutes. Number 23. Bigay ka number 2. Bigay ka number 23. Bigay ka number 4. Foul by Corbin. Penalty. Penalty po ba? Penalty. Wala. Number 2 Reggie. Bigay ka Bakio. Paso down by Bakio. Number 6. Bigay ka number 33. Bigay ka number 4. Bigay ka corner. No good. Put back yan by number 3. Same guy. Bigay ka number 4. Penalty. battle, while within 6 seconds na lang po. Number 29, Brigade, and number 19, Fernandez, Castellan. Last 55 seconds. 50 seconds. Time to shoot. Oras na po, 34 seconds. Question down by Nakaba. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Foul. Penalty denied. Question down by number 2. Two. Question down by number 18. Yes, beautiful game. Number 71, Johnson Mendoza. Congrats for both teams. Mendoza, best player of the game.